So this is something that came from BILLYKIRK today. Surprisingly big box. I didn't expect the box to be that big. So let's take a look. I've been trying to get one of their bags for a while, but since I haven't bought from them before, so I don't know how good the quality is, or should I try? I decided to finally order my first one because they have Labor Day sale, so I thought I would take advantages of that. So let's see. And this is just my receipt. So it looked like the bag came with a nice dust bag. Really nice cotton fabric. Let's open up. Wow. It's a very structured tote. That I like how they stitch the tote together, so that when you put it on the ground, the bottom of the bag doesn't really touch the ground, so that I think this will hold up better and less corner wear in long term. This looks like a luggage tag or something. So the bag has a stud closure. It's not too hard to pull it open. Nice size, pretty thick leather, and as you can see, they have some pocket inside. Oh, and this looks like a free coaster. Nice. So this is what came today from BILLYKIRK. Well, I like what I see, and hopefully I'll get more from them. Thanks.